I'll show you how to highlight your mouse pointer in Windows 11. This is a great way to make your cursor more visible, especially when you're creating presentations or recording tutorials. First, click the Windows icon, then open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Mouse Pointer Highlight. Make sure you select the app with this icon. It's a free app available on the Microsoft Store. Click Get to download and install it. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see a small settings window, and your mouse pointer will now have a yellow highlight around it. You can adjust the size of the highlight, change its opacity, and choose a different highlight color. You can also change the color that appears when you click. Keep in mind that the app needs to stay open. If you close it, your mouse pointer will return to its default appearance. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.